Hi, I'm Norton Geddie. I'm an attorney and shareholder with McCutchen Vaught Geddie Hucks. For the last 25 years, the majority of my practice has been spent doing residential real estate, commercial real estate, and development real estate. Let's talk about occupancy. One of the questions I get asked regularly is, how soon can I occupy the property? That depends on a couple of things. If everybody's at the closing, it can be as soon as we finish. Otherwise, if we're waiting on the deed to come from another law office, or we're waiting on the seller to send documents from out of state, we have to be in possession of the deed prior to us giving occupancy. Once everything's signed, the deed's going to go to our county seat in Conway and be recorded as part of the public record. If everybody's in agreement that we can go ahead and give keys at closing and go ahead and disperse funds to the seller at closing, then through something called gap insurance, we can go ahead and release keys prior to recording the documents in the county seat. And we'll still record as quickly as we can. One of the nice things about Horry County is your deed will be recorded usually within the day or the day after you close. But it saves a number of hours if everybody's in agreement that we can do table funding or gap coverage. The other question is, when do I get my money? And it's the same answer. When we give keys, we give money. If we don't have money, we can't give keys. If we don't have a title, we can't give money. If there's an issue you'd like to have us address specifically or a question you have, please go to our website at lawyersatthebeach.com and leave us a message in our general mailbox. Somebody from either our Myrtle Beach or North Myrtle Beach office will get back to you, and perhaps we can answer your question specifically.